Hello, my name is Joaquin, and today with my partner Tamaro, we're going to teach you how to make a paper crane. The first thing we are going to need is a piece of paper of any size that best suits you, and scissors. Now with the materials ready, the first thing we are going to grab is a corner of the street and found in this to cut that is left over with scissors so that a square remains. With the square we want to corner to the opposite side to form a triangle and repeat with the other corner to leave a mark. Already, the previous step of the other side fold one side of the picture with the other and repeat with the other side. And move them to the bottom corner to create this shape.
With the shape ready, we are going to grab the two corners and fold, then towards the middle and both sides of the shape. We also grab to the other corner and fold it on both sides of the figure. Once ready, we open the corners and grab a lower corner to move it up. And you repeat the same thing in the other side to create this figure. Later, we grab the figure its two corners and we move it to the center like this. We repeat this in the other side. Now, we move the right corner to the left, then the lower corner we move up and bring back the corner to the right. Now, we do the same in the other end, but moving the left corner at the right. Finally, let's taking out the two ends, giving it shape to the head and tail, then we form the wings. Okay, that's all folks. Thanks for watching. Finally, let's taking out the two ends, giving it shape to the head and tail, then we form the wings. Okay, that's all folk. Thanks for watching.